Hello friends, Dave McDonald here for another big exciting edition of Quarantunes. Hey, our budget went up in the sound effects department. Did you hear that? Oh my word. It's a silly day here with Dave McDonald drawing silly cartoons. I hope you're having a good day. All right, so yesterday we drew some faces using some simple shapes. I wanted to show you my colored version. Yep, I'm just having fun coloring the artwork that we do in black and white. So following our drawing lesson, I just take some time and I color it in. Just wanted to share. And it's a huge day because I got some art sent to me by some viewers and I wanted to share that with you. So let's take a look. William. Awesome job. Look at what William drew. He drew Patty Butter. Do you remember when we drew her? Remember we were talking about creating a story and creating conflict? And she was yelling, "Help! The little taters! They've been kidnapped!" William, you did an awesome job. Got the cactus there. He's got his horizon line, motion lines. Look at the expression. I love what you did, William. Thank you for sending that in. And then another packet of great comics. And I say information because this student, she is a student. She's a young artist named Anaya. And Anaya, I hope I'm pronouncing your name correctly. Anaya did some planning before she created a comic. So look, I think she downloaded some templates to create her characters and develop them. It's very smart to develop your characters. Develop the setting. Look at, she's drawn how all the characters live in houses, but then there's an underground secret hideaway. It's their base where they launch their missions, I suppose. And then she did a storyboard. Again, she's downloading these templates from online, and that's something you can ask your librarian or your media specialist or a teacher where they can get these from. Okay, so just ask your teachers. They have great resources. So that's what she did. Just, again, answering questions to develop the story, and then take a look at this. I hope this all fits. I'll put the top part of it in the screen for now. She did it in a vertical format. Superhero comics, again, I think this is a template that she downloaded, but wow, take a look at the drawings and the composition. Like this one right here is particularly interesting, and this one. You're looking from behind the character at the laundry. I don't often see that when I do teaching in schools. Look at this, just out of frame. See how this character is drawn partially in the panel and partially not? That's something that artist, Anaya, you had to think about that, and that's really cool. Create some drama with that composition. Very nicely done. Same here. Then at the bottom, she's got a story that's not finished, so she wrote, "To be continued." Again, this is fantastic. This is really well done. And she colored it as well. So, Anaya, thank you for sending this. You did a wonderful job. Always love to see young artists work. Okay, today is, and let's get our special effects. It's Wacky Day here on Quarantunes. I'm not paying those special effects people to do that, am I? Yes, you are, Mr. Dave. That's exactly what they're supposed to be doing on Wacky Day. So today, grab your pencil. We're going to draw a wacky character. All right, this character, I think it's going to be a dinosaur doing something wacky. So let's see, dinosaur. Let's draw kind of a T-Rex-ish character, dinosaur. So at the top, let's do this. I would say a rectangle or a square. I guess it's a rectangle, but I've made this side a little shorter. So I guess you could say, I don't know, trapezoid-ish. I'm not a math teacher, but it's a kind of a wacky rectangle. And then that's going to be the head. Down here will be the body. So create a circle shape. And then off of that, we'll create the body of that dinosaur. Let's do this. A curved line that comes like this, goes all the way out to the tail. Okay. Maybe we don't go so far. I have a habit of going off the page. I get so excited. Okay, so let's see. There's the tail. Okay, see how we use that circle to create the body of the character? All right, another oval shape here to create part of the leg. Let's see. Let's see. So there's the leg. Use another oval shape here. Little toenails. This dinosaur is going to be, it's Wacky Day because this dinosaur is riding a unicycle. Do you know what a unicycle is? There's the seat. It's like a bicycle, except uni means one. So it's not a bicycle. Bi means two. It's uni meaning one wheel. So it comes down, and I'm going to run off the page probably. Let's see. Here's a pedal that goes to that right there. And then the other pedal would be kind of down here. All right. And the wheel. Use a little circle or an oval. I kind of leaned that forward just because he's going to be in motion. All right. And put some spokes on there. Bicycle wheel. Little shadow at the bottom. Okay, the other leg would be down here. Put an oval, heel. Long toenails. All right, that's a good start, right? Kind of roughed out in pencil. Let's see, I always like, let's see, wacky eyes. I'll go ahead and do my standard wacky big oval eye and then small oval eye. The goofy expression. And what we can do is give this some different form. A smile. Maybe with some teeth. And maybe a couple nostrils up there. Ta-da! Couple little sprigs of hair. And let's see. And those sad little kind of Tyrannosaurus paws. All right. So, let's do this. On his tail, he's not only on a unicycle, he's delivering a pizza. So we'll draw a box on his tail, right? It's got the pizza on the box, pepperoni pizza. Have you ever thought about delivering pizza on a unicycle? I don't think it would be wise if you weren't too good riding, but maybe it would be fun. All right, so let's see. Let's start inking our silly dinosaur. Okay, we got the pupils in there with our little reflections. Some eyebrows up there. Big smile. He's very happy to be delivering a pizza. This, I told you it was Wacky Day. Right? You never know what's going to happen here on Wacky Day. Let's see, we can just do he's maintaining his balance, right? Okay. All right, let's see from here. And there's the bike seat kind of under there and goes up to the back. All the way up to the end of the tail. The bike seat we can kind of shadow in with some cross hatching or just coloring later, right? Okay, let's see, maybe I like inside of his mouth. Some darken it in around the teeth, maybe give him that little tongue there. All right, okay, the big smelly feet. Do dinosaurs have smelly feet? I don't know. I'll bet they could. Okay, he's on the pedal there. And from the pedal it goes down to the other pedal. See, we get that main. I guess it's a piece of steel that goes down and holds the wheel. It's a tire, so we'll make it 2 circles with the spokes. And let's see, here's the other. The other foot on. We can give this whole foot kind of some cross hatching because it's on the other side, right? Indicate that it's farther back. Some motion lines. Obviously he's moving. Okay, let's see, some maybe decorative patches or spots on his body. All right, and the pizza box. I hope he doesn't drop that pizza. That would not be fun, would it? Can you imagine getting a pizza that had been dropped from a unicycle? Thanks to a delivery dinosaur? Pizza. Oh. Pepperonis. Big motion lines. Teetering precariously on his tail. Yep. And horizon line. Look at that. Well, there's one silly dinosaur. Oh, I know what we should draw here. Right here in front of him, he's not looking. He's right? Watch this. What am I drawing here? What is that? Yep, a banana peel. What's going to happen when he hits the banana peel? Something tells me this isn't going to go so well. Luckily, we're drawing it at this stage and not when he's falling. And we draw these little accent lines to let the viewer know they should be looking down here. Something is about to happen. The anticipation, right? Okay, we will erase our starting shapes, revealing our silly, wacky delivery dinosaur, right? Pizza delivery by a dinosaur. Hey, this might be a new business idea. Everybody's kind of staying home and getting food delivered during this time, right? When we're supposed to be quarantined. Yeah, so maybe someone should open up a delivery business where you dress as a dinosaur and deliver pizza. Oh, I got to get that shadow at the bottom right there. Yep, got to do that. This came out kind of fun, didn't it? Sure did. Where's my little broom? All right, sweep away those eraser crumbs. And let's do our little shadow. We can maybe darken in this tire. All right. Look at that. That certainly is Wacky Day, isn't it? Wacky Day, Wacky Day. Look at that character. I can't wait to color that crazy critter. Oh, I hope you had fun today drawing. Maybe you could send in your artwork to me. Remember, you can always send it in, but ask mom or dad to do it for you. It's not something I want you doing for safety reasons. Online safety, ask mom or dad. Just send your artwork. Maybe a note telling me where in the world you live so I can recognize that as well. Just send it to mycartoonart@yahoo.com, right? mycartoonart@yahoo.com. All right, here he is. Does he need some music to deliver his pizza by? And there he is, off and running. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you had fun. Until next time, be well, stay safe, and take care of one another. All right, bye-bye.